In this video, I'm going to talk about the top 5 best Canadian brokerages. First of all, for those who don't know me, my name is Tristan Powell. I am an entrepreneur and investor in British Columbia, Canada. So the first brokerage on my list is BMO InvestorLine. BMO InvestorLine offers a commission of $9.95 per trade. Since BMO is one of Canada's largest banks, the platform has a good customer record and has very few lags and glitches. Number 4 is TD Direct Investing. TD is Canada's biggest and most popular bank. Their trading platform is very easy to use and has a good setup for beginners. TD Direct Investing charges $9.99 per trade, so it is the most expensive on my list. Coming in at number 3 is Qtrade. Qtrade offers $8.75 per trade. Qtrade does offer free trades on 100 different of their personalized ETFs, which is a really good deal for investors like myself that trade lots of ETFs. Number 2 on my list is CIBC Investor's Edge. I like to think CIBC is the best platform for beginner traders as it's very easy to use. CIBC charges $6.95 per trade. It is the cheapest of the bank brokerages. Also right now, CIBC Investor's Edge is running a deal where students get to trade for $5.95. So it's a pretty good deal for students like myself. And my top pick for the top 5 best brokerage firms in Canada is Questrade. I always hear good things about Questrade from my friends and family. Questrade offers a 1 cent a share fee with a minimum price of $4.95 and a maximum price of $9.95. It is also free to buy ETFs on Questrade. Questrade is an all-around very solid brokerage, and I'd recommend it to most people, beginner traders to advanced traders. Thank you for watching my video on Canada's top 5 brokers. If you disagree with any of my placements or think I've forgotten a brokerage, let me know in the comments below. I'm always happy to discuss something. As always, happy trading and good luck.